Hello everyone, so in this video I have got Vivo S1 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S10 and I'm going to do a quick speed test comparison between both of the smartphones. And both of the smartphones have got 8GB of RAM while the Samsung Galaxy S10 have got updated chipset as compared to the Vivo S1 Pro. Also the Vivo S1 Pro is a mid-range smartphone while the Galaxy S10 is a flagship device. So in this video we are gonna find out that which one is faster and which one you should buy between both of the smartphones. So let's start this video without wasting any time. So as always, the first test will be a boot-up test between both of the smartphones. Here we go. And let's see who will be the winner of the first boot-up test. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to get the latest smartphones comparison, speed test, unboxing and much more. And well, the boot-up test won by the Samsung Galaxy S10 and the Vivo S1 Pro is still taking time. Well, it was about 3-second difference between both of the smartphones while booting up. So as always, starting from some basic stuff, and the first one is phone dialer. Well, slightly faster on the Galaxy S10. Settings, it was about the same on both of the smartphones. Color switch, well, faster on the Samsung Galaxy S10. Fruit Ninja, well, pretty much faster on the Samsung S10 once again. PUBG Mobile, well, the Samsung Galaxy S10 was about 3 seconds faster with this application. Subway Surfers, again pretty much quicker on the Samsung Galaxy S10. Pinout, faster on the Samsung S10. Zedge, well, it was slightly faster on the Vivo S1 Pro. The first application won by the Vivo S1 Pro. Hill Climb 2, again quicker on the Samsung S10. Smash Hit, again faster on the Samsung Galaxy S10. YouTube, again faster on the Samsung Galaxy S10. So guys, it was a speed test comparison between the Vivo S1 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy S10, and as you guys saw here, none of the tests won by the Vivo S1 Pro up against the Samsung Galaxy S10. So both of the smartphones have got 8GB of RAM, but the Samsung Galaxy S10 is much better as compared to the Vivo S1 Pro because the S10 is a flagship device and the Samsung will never disappoint their customer when it comes to the flagship smartphones. If you guys have any question regarding these two smartphones, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching our videos and keep supporting us.